everyone. Today I am going to discuss the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Section 11. Section 11 state that free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. So Section 11 just provide on people equal chance to be heard and to be it to right in courts, especially if they are litigants or if they are involved in a particular case. And they should be heard in a court with legal assistance or with adequate legal assistance to be provided by the government. Should the litigants or should the person accused has no means to afford in a private lawyer. Because of Section 11, the PAO is established, or the Public Attorney Office. So what is quasi-judicial bodies? Quasi-judicial bodies is a non-judicial body which can interpret law. It is an entity such an arbitration panel or tribunal board, which can be a public administrative agency, but also a contract or a private law entity which has been given powers and procedures resembling those of court of law or judge, and which is obliged to objectively determine facts and draw conclusions from them so as to provide the basis of an official action. Such actions are able to remedy a situation or impose legal penalties, and they may affect the legal rights, duties, or privileges of specific parties. Free access to the courts. If the accused cannot afford to hire a lawyer to defend her case, the government shall provide one for him. He shall be assisted or represented by a public prosecutor and a counsel from the Public Attorney Office.